Replacement screwdriver blades. These blades fit our deluxe drivers as well as our standard drivers. They are not the blades, however, for the spring clamp screwdriver. That's a completely different blade. The replacement driver blades come in 8 different variations. The first one being a standard narrow driver blade. That's a flat blade used on most hinge screws. We then have a fine flat tip blade, which is only 1 millimeter across, and that's for mostly nose-pan screws. And then we have the Phillips. It's a double-ended blade. One side is small, the other side is medium. We have a screw extractor blade that if you have a broken screw and you want to try to remove it without stripping the threads, you can put the screw extractor blade down the barrel, and hopefully it'll grab the broken end of the screw and you'll be able to twist it and turn it out of the barrel. And that also is double-sided, 2 different sizes on the same blade, followed by a standard hex wrench for a 2.3 millimeter nut, and a star nut for a 2.2 millimeter star nut wrench tip, and a star nut large 2.8 millimeter wrench tip. And finally, we have a combination, a fine Phillips on one end and a flat blade on the other, a very popular blade to have, so you can just keep reversing it and using it on a whole variety of different screws. The blades are available in packages of 3, some are available in packages of 10, and the wrench tips are available singly.